My father recently had a total knee replacement surgery. At 75, he is at a risk for heart issues, deep vein thrombosis and falls. I couldn't watch over him 24/7, so I built this. A radar that watches his heart and breath rate in real time, even when I am in another room. And it even barks if something goes wrong. This device can detect presence in the room, breathing rate, heart rate, dangerous changes in vitals, and it can even alert you with a barking sound and log trends over time. My dog, Nefatari Meritmat, didn't eat for 4 days when my father was hospitalized. Now she rests beside him, and this radar watches over them both. This radar is powered by seed MR60BHA2 60 GHz mmWave radar with XIAO ESP32C6 controller, and it can be powered by any 5V USB adapter. This code is free for you. If you are passionate enough and want to copy it from this video, it's all yours. But if you want to save your time and want it as a ready-to-use file with possibility of future updates if I happen to add them, I have added a small ₹199 convenience fee that will support my work. Link is in the description below. This is where I show you the accuracy of the device as compared to a standard pulse oximeter. You can see that the reported heart rate by the non-contact radar is within 10 to 15% of the contact monitored pulse oximeter. This radar detects heart rate and breathing rate by using the principle of the Doppler effect by sensing the minute movements of the chest wall caused by cardiac activity. This radar emits a continuous wave of radio frequency signals specifically within the 60 GHz band. These waves are directed towards the person's chest. When these waves encounter the chest, a portion of the signal is reflected back to the radar receiver, creating an echo. During each heartbeat, the chest wall undergoes a very small displacement, typically in the range of 0.02 to 0.05 cm. These minute movements affect the reflected radar signal, and the Doppler effect comes into play here. When an object reflecting a wave is in motion, the frequency of the reflected wave shifts relative to the transmitted wave. This frequency shift is directly proportional to the velocity of the reflecting object. In the case of heartbeat detection, the chest wall movement causes a very minute but measurable frequency shift in the reflected radar signal, and this signal is processed and created into observable and measurable data and information for you. This is a very precise, very accurate technology that we can often take for granted, especially because it is so cheap. It costs just 3,300 rupees or around $40. If you are caring for someone fragile, this little device might change your life too. Like, subscribe, and let me know how you use it. I will build more tools like this with your help. I have named this radar after my dog Nefertari Meritmat. Meritmat Guardian is watching 24/7 and love never sleeps.